What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at the Akko Santorini. This is going to be the 5098B compact keyboard with a TFT LCD screen. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. Now, when you get this open, you see the keyboard is packaged really nice, well protected in foam, have this nice acrylic cover on it. Just going to take that off. Now, before we get to the keyboard, up top we have some accessories. We're going to get a USB-C charging cable. This charges the 8,000 milliamp battery. We have a keycap remover. So if you want to go ahead and customize your keyboard, you can do that. Or if you want to give it a nice deep clean, you can take these keys out. We have replaceable switches. This is going to be their Piano Black series. It's super quiet. You get your user manual, and this is going to be the keyboard. Well, this is going to be the Santorini 5098B. You can see it's really going with that grease theme. It looks really, really nice. The colors and the blues, and then on the keycaps, it has this nice artwork on your space bar here, on your returns and shift key. You have this nice artwork on your inner key as well, little cafe. And when you notice on the front of your keys, they're going to be in that nice Greek style as well. The piano key switches are really, really quiet. And then when you switch this on, you have this nice LCD. And it's going to give you the battery level, the mode that you're in. Also, it's going to give you the time and date. You have this nice little character, the logo that comes across the screen. Also, this is going to be backlit. So you have your RGB going across there as well. Have a nice little RGB bar right up under the LCD screen. It really, really looks good. You have a scroll bar here that's going to allow you to scroll through your settings as well as different functions on your computer. You have 3 different ways that you can get connected. This is going to be wireless. You have a USB adapter here. You can get connected wired by USB-C, or you can just charge the battery as well. And then your other option is going to be Bluetooth. You have risers at the bottom. You have 2 different sizes, so you can go big or you can go small. So this way you have a nice, comfortable way of using your keyboard. Also up under it, you have your LED. So this way, when your keyboard is sitting down on your desk, you have that light bouncing from the desk back up, giving you this nice floating appearance. Now, once again, this keyboard is going to be nice and stylish and customizable. The 5098B 1800 layout keyboard with number pad is going to be the first model to adapt an LCD screen. It has fast charging, and you can also use your function key along with the scroll to have different functions. Now, if you're familiar with different keycaps, this is going to use a south-facing keycap style. So this is going to allow you to use different types of keycaps for your customization. It really helps give this a more personable feel, or you can use the layout that they have for you. So once again, guys, this is going to be the Santorini 5098B. If art, if Greek culture is your style, you're going to love this keyboard. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.